Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So as you can see, the price of Bitcoin is doing exactly like what we talked on my yesterday's video, even though many were disagreeing with me. But now, as you can see, the retracement from this non-failure swing bottom towards this point E area is happening right now. And according to this non-failure swing bottom, if this is still going to be in favor of bulls, guys, then the retracement should end around this 41 to 42,000 price range, because after that we should see some sort of a really nice relief rally playing out here in price action of Bitcoin. But the question here is this going to happen? Are the bulls going to be able to defend this support around this 42,000 and so this relief rally towards this point F area as shown here in an example? And not just only this one example, guys, if you are aware, also according to this bump and run reversal bottom, what we said, since the price of Bitcoin, as you can see here, was actually starting this uphill run without retesting the trend line, we said maybe there will be a retracement towards this falling trend line, which previously acted as a resistance. The price is going to see a reversal there, right? Find support, and after that, we could be starting this new uphill run as shown here in an example. So that's why, guys, that's why for us it's very important that the price of Bitcoin remains above this 41,000 range if we want to see any sort of an impulsive movement playing out here in price action. And just to show you, make it clear, we also talked about this inverse head and shoulder that was showing us that, hey, if this is still going to be in favor of bulls, first we could be testing this one historical support line that is also lying around this 41,000 range. And if that is going to happen, then we will be forming this very nice inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in that case, you can see right now, this could be the formation of right shoulder, and then again price trying to show this another impulsive movement. Because right now, if you look at this 50 exponential moving average, the support from this 50 exponential moving average has already been broken, and now the next support is this 20 exponential moving average, this green line as you can see here, along with this historical trend line that is lying around this 41,000 price area. So now looking through all these scenarios, as you can see, we have to find support around this 41 to 42,000 range at any cost if the bulls wants to take over the market. Otherwise, this could be looking very ugly for Bitcoin. And also, let me show you the reason why we were expecting this price to show this retracement around this 41 to 42,000 range. Because yesterday I showed you this price movement. It might not be clear, but let me show you one more time, because we were aware when the price of Bitcoin, right, was starting this new impulsive movement, we were forming this ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is looked as a bullish scenario, but in our case, since the support got broken, you can see the support got broken, and after that we started this downward price movement. And according to this ascending triangle, we said the price target is going to be somewhere around 42,000 range. You can see we came around this 42,000, and not just only that, I also included this double top formation that was also playing out parallelly. If you look at this price structure here, right, you can see this was more of a double top type of scenario. And we said if the neckline here is going to get broken, then we could see another retracement somewhere around 41,000 range, right? So here, so now you can see the price actually came around this 41,700, but I want a proper support at this range. So if the price of Bitcoin is going to see this actual support around this 42,000 range consolidate, then we will be actually looking at this still as a bullish scenario. Otherwise, right, otherwise this could play out as a fake out. I mean, this whole scenario here. Let me show you one more time. So before switching into other chart, I want to give you a quick update that we not just only have a Crypto Anup English channel, we also have our Crypto Anup German channel. So for all German speaker, go follow me there. And not just only that, we also have our own Telegram channel. So if you want to communicate with each other, if you want to be part of Crypto Anup family, then the link will be provided in the description down below. And beside that, to all the traders watching this video right now, I have a giveaway around $10,000 at the end of the month to anyone who sign up using my ref link here. Either it's a Bybit or Femex, and deposit at least $300 worth of crypto. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. If we do that, then at the end of the month, I am going to choose maybe 5 random winner and provide them with $2,000 each, or a 2 random winner, one from Femex, one from Bybit, right? And provide them $5,000 each. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, the link is also provided in the description down below. So now let's switch the chart. With this example, let me show you what could happen here if the bulls are going to fail to find or hold the support around this 41 to 42,000 range, and we are going to invalidate all the scenario that I just showed you. What in that case? In that case, guys, we will be focusing around this Wyckoff's market cycle, because according to this market cycle, when the price of Bitcoin start with this new markup phase, first it needs to form this accumulation phase. From this accumulation phase till the distribution phase, the whole process is known as markup phase. And from this distribution until we form this new accumulation phase, the whole process is called markdown phase. And in our case, if you look at this example, if this is exactly what's going to happen, I mean, after this accumulation phase, we had this markup phase, distribution phase, and after this distribution phase, now we are in a markdown phase where the price is heading towards this new accumulation phase. So that's why I showed you, if this here is going to be a fake out, more of a bull trap, then we are aware this price movement could be also slowly heading towards this downside, right, where we will be actually forming this accumulation phase, a proper accumulation phase, before starting this new markup phase. Because for a new markup phase, first we need a proper accumulation phase. Please do not forget that, because if you look at this example here, before we started with this markup phase, the price of Bitcoin actually had this range bound type of scenario where we accumulated. Only after that we started this markup phase here as well. Before we started this distribution phase, we also had this spring action involved, and after that, once the support got broken, we started this downtrend. So that's why, guys, that's why if these scenarios are going to fail, the bullish scenario that I showed you, right, with this inverse head and shoulder, bump and run reversal bottom, and also this non-failure swing bottom, then we will be focusing around this market cycle where the price is going to form an actual support only after forming a proper accumulation phase. So these are some of the interesting scenario I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.